Hey guys, Dave here, Getting Any Outdoors. Today I'm coming at you live with another repair video. I'm going to show you how to patch a polyethylene resin constructed kayak. So our kayaks are Kiwi kayak, and I'm going to show you how to repair small holes. This one here had a very substantial patch that we put in it. This is a kayak that's not for sale. It's just something we use here around the shop for anybody who wants to go out kayaking. We steal this for a ride. So what do? No hole in the kayak. Down there should be about the right spot to patch. Okay. What do I do? See that? Whoop, 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 whoop. I could use these little frilly things, but I'm not gonna. We're gonna set it up and I'll show you how to repair that. Required tools: torch, scrap plastic, and a really nice knife. Look at that. All burnt, bent, dull. All right. It's like high school. Did heat that up, stick it to the side. Now this should not remind you of anything. I'm going to cut it a little bit above the layer of the kayak, for the simple fact that I want to smooth it out with the knife after. That's probably all I'm going to need for scrap pieces of plastic. You do need the same type of plastic material that your kayak's made of. This is a polyethylene resin. That's why I'm using polyethylene resin patch. These fumes are really not the best smelling things. Back into the hot knife, man. I mean, knife patching, man. So all that's done is welded my patch to the base material of the kayak. I'll flip her over and fix up the outside. Scaled up the torch. Put that in a safe spot. Okay. All right. Here's. Looks a little ugly. No, my patch is solid. Just gotta make it pretty. let it cool, and I'll go water test it. All right, time to see if she leaks. This water over here was from, but let's get you in nice and close on where I packed. Success, nice and dry. So if you're looking for plastic similar to what you got, contact info@bwmarineproducts.com, and they will likely have some polyethylene resin samples to send you for a repair kit. If not, you're gonna have to find a spot on your kayak where you can kind of like maybe down here, steal a little chunk of plastic there that you're willing to sacrifice up there for down there. Get you back on the water, get you back where you need to be. All right, so that's a quick, easy way, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe.